Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by gathering the right tools: a 10mm socket, Phillips screwdriver, plastic trim tool, and a torque wrench set to 8 Nm for final bolts. Also have the replacement bulb or full headlight assembly ready. Park the vehicle on level ground, engage the parking brake, and work with the engine cool to protect plastic components. Before touching wiring, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent 12V shorts or accidental airbag faults. Expect 30 to 45 minutes per side if replacing the full assembly, less for just the bulb. Begin removal by opening the hood and locating the plastic bumper clips and screws along the top and inside the wheel well. Use a trim tool to pry clips and a 10mm socket to remove screws. Remove the inner fender liner screws if needed to access the side of the assembly. Next, unbolt the headlight mounting bolts, typically 2 top bolts and 1 lower bolt, and support the assembly as you pull it forward. Finally, press the wiring harness tab to disconnect electrical connectors and unclip bulb retainers before fully removing the unit. Position the replacement headlight assembly into the bumper opening and reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring each clip and grommet seats correctly. Hand start the mounting bolts, then tighten them evenly and torque to 8 Nm with a torque wrench to avoid cracking the housing. Reinstall the bumper clips and inner fender screws, then close the hood. To aim headlights, park 25 feet from a flat wall, turn on low beams, and adjust vertical and horizontal screws until the cutoff aligns with manufacturer height. Test low and high beams and turn signals before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.